Have you ever wondered how your job might change in the future due to artificial intelligence? As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution that will fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and relate to one another, it's important to consider the future of work in the era of AI. The landscape of the workforce is being reshaped by the advent of artificial intelligence and automation. Routine tasks, traditionally carried out by humans, are now being performed by machines. Jobs in transportation, manufacturing, and even the service industry are most likely to be affected. But don't let that worry you too much. As some doors close, others open. With the dawn of AI, we will see the emergence of new kinds of jobs that we can't even imagine today. Jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will thrive. So, a shift in the job market doesn't necessarily mean job loss, but rather a shift in the types of jobs available. The changes won't stop there, though. Our societies will have to adapt to these transformations. One potential solution being discussed is the idea of universal basic income. This would be a guaranteed income given to all citizens, ensuring everyone has a basic level of financial security, regardless of their employment status. Another approach is to focus on retraining programs. As the job market changes, we'll need to equip people with new skills to take on the jobs of the future. This could mean learning how to work alongside AI, or even how to create, maintain, and improve these systems. The future of work in the era of AI is a vast, uncharted territory. It's a future filled with possibilities and challenges. As we continue to explore this new frontier, it's important to remember that we're all in this together. Our success in this new era will depend on our ability to adapt, to learn, and to navigate these changes together. As we move forward, it's crucial we understand and adapt to these transformations. But is AI always fair and unbiased? The answer, unfortunately, is a resounding no. Let's take a look at some real-world instances that demonstrate this fact. Imagine a facial recognition system that consistently misidentifies people of certain ethnicities, or a sentencing software that disproportionately targets minorities. These are not dystopian scenarios from a science fiction novel, but actual incidents that have occurred due to AI bias. But where does this bias stem from? Well, an AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the training data is biased, the AI will inevitably inherit those biases. For instance, if a facial recognition system is predominantly trained on light-skinned faces, it would struggle to accurately identify dark-skinned faces. So, how can we mitigate these biases? The solution lies in diversifying the data used for training AI. This involves collecting data from a broad spectrum of individuals, representing different ages, ethnicities, genders, and socioeconomic backgrounds. How much of your privacy would you be willing to sacrifice for security? This question is more relevant today than ever before. The rise of artificial intelligence surveillance technologies presents us with a challenging conundrum. On one hand, these technologies offer unprecedented abilities to safeguard our society, helping law enforcement prevent crime and even potentially thwarting terrorist attacks before they happen. The advantages seem almost too good to pass up. Yet on the other hand, there's the elephant in the room: privacy. With great power comes great responsibility, and the power of AI surveillance can be a double-edged sword. The same technology that can track down a missing person can also be used to monitor your every move, every day, without your knowledge or consent. This is not just a hypothetical scenario. It's a reality in many parts of the world today. The ethical implications are profound. Is it right to use AI for mass surveillance? Where do we draw the line between security and personal privacy? These are not easy questions, and the answers are even more elusive. One thing is certain, though. The potential for government overreach is real, and we must remain vigilant. We must ensure that the use of these technologies is regulated, transparent, and accountable. In the end, the balancing act between security and privacy in the age of AI is a delicate one. We must tread carefully. A balance must be struck to ensure our security doesn't come at the cost of our privacy. Would you trust an AI with your life? A provocative question, isn't it? Yet, it's a question we'll increasingly grapple with as artificial intelligence systems continue to make critical decisions in sectors like healthcare, criminal justice, and business. Imagine a world where an AI system could diagnose medical conditions, decide prison sentences, or even dictate your company's next strategic move. It might sound like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. Already we're seeing AI systems being used to detect diseases, predict crime hotspots, and even automate stock trading. But as AI's decision-making capabilities expand, so too do the ethical quandaries we face. One of the biggest challenges lies in ensuring these systems are transparent and accountable. After all, how can we trust a decision if we don't understand how it was made? Transparency in AI means making the decision-making process of these systems clear and understandable to humans. It's about being able to track the reasoning behind a decision, to see how an AI system arrived at a particular conclusion. It's no easy task, especially with complex machine learning models that are often described as black boxes, but it's crucial for building trust and for ensuring we can identify and correct errors when they occur.
Dive deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence with AI Knowledge Quest. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the quest for knowledge never ends. Join us again soon.